Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you EURUSD analysis seen from a multi-time frame perspective. Here we are on the daily chart. I'm going to start from this picture here. The highest price was reached at this point, and we can observe that it reached 1.1918, a very big area, as we can see. I think that the chances are that probably we are in this distributive movement, so the price is probably going to distribute all the volume that accumulated earlier. However, this is a very optimistic movement for the moment. We are expecting this movement, however it can take many shapes. It can also develop in this area for a long time, and probably later, after having more data, it can move up or it can move down, and we have to evaluate the picture again. However, I think that the chances are to go down. From the daily chart that we are already looking at right now, we can observe that the price faced a very strong resistance near to the zone. It was rejected several times. It can be considered also this movement here. And if we are going to extend our zone, we can see also that a very strong support was found on the past. So look at also this part here. So overall, the price faced a strong zone in about 120 days, which is a very big time. What I think at this moment is that, given that the price already created this bearish pin bar candle, the chances to go down are rising further. We can see that the same thing happened here. It was not a pin bar, it was not as good as this picture is right now, but the price declined. I think that this is going to happen, but if we are going to move this on a lower time frame, we can observe also two candles that are changing this picture probably to bearish, but we have to be careful. We have one bullish candle and one bearish candle, a long shadow that created a selling volume at this point. It has to confirm more. We don't have any pattern yet to have a better idea. Probably we may see the price to move up and later it can move down. For the moment looks bullish and it may react bullish, so all of our analysis will be invalidated if EURUSD is going to bounce above this area, because if this is going to happen, then a bigger bullish wave may resume, and we can see EURUSD also to reach the top again. So after that moment, everything will be validated. So far we are still on the bearish movement. I am expecting EURUSD to take a small pause. Probably it can wait for the US CPI data on Friday, and later we can see this movement. So the confirmation that we are looking at may happen soon. On a lower time frame, this chart can be interpreted in many ways, but we have to see also more data. Probably the price is accumulating to go down, but it can be possible that after we see some volume, it can start to rise. So everything is related on this part here. It depends what the price is going to create. I think that it can be bearish, however we have to be patient. It can happen that we may have any type of double top pattern, so the price may tend to test the top again and later it can move down. So this is what I'm looking at. The target 1.1530 is related also to the structure zone that is coming from the left. 1.1470 is a very strong structure zone, as you can see. It was tested also on the past. And the lower target makes sense to be placed near to this area, near to 1.1420, 1410. This is a very strong zone. I'm not looking at for a bigger movement at the moment. So don't forget, invalidation point comes if the price moves above 1.1660, 1670. So that is why we have to be careful. I think that the price has higher chances to go down again from this zone. So let's see what is going to happen, because the market is still speculating about FOMC, if the FOMC is going to cut rates or not, how big will be the rate cut if that is going to happen. So it will be on December 10th, and that is going to be also on hesitation before the price takes direction again. So this is what I'm looking at for Euro USD at the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.